Suraj, congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
How does it feel?
I feel very happy, ma'am. After my completion of my 10th class, I have some ambiguous of where to join in. I inquired many people and most of them told that Narayana will be your best choice. Then my senior Lohita Richa scored a perfect score 300 out of 300 in JEE Mains 2023. It gave me a confidence so that I can also secure a perfect score and I have 100%.
What advice you would give to your juniors, because you have taken your inspiration from your seniors?
First important suggestion is making short notes, ma'am.
Okay.
It helps us to quick revision of the concepts.
Right.
Second thing is making analysis, ma'am. It helps to revise all the wrong concepts we have in our mind. Third thing is interacting with our teachers help us to gain more knowledge.